guys. My background's so like, ooh. Anyways, I completely forgot how to like introduce myself. Hi, I'm Jacoby. Welcome back to my channel. Hey. So today I will be doing a what's in my, God, this is heavy. What's in my backpack 2020 college edition, student athlete version. So this backpack, I got it for like it was way too expensive, I will say that right now, but it was like $118 I think with like tax and stuff. But I got the North Face Borealis, I don't know, backpack. Anyways, so without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm like, this is so weird, I haven't filmed like a video in forever because I'm busy. Okay, anyways, so let's start with the front pockets here. So it unzips right here in the front, and in this pouch I literally keep nothing. Shocking, shocking. So go to this other smaller compartment on the front, unzip her, and we have a plethora of things in here. So let's show you. What? Am I okay? Okay, first of all, I have my prescription inhaler because I have asthma. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Now I have 2 masks. I have a school mask that they gave us, but I don't really like it. It's really thick and uncomfortable, and it's kind of ugly. So I just keep it as a backup in my backpack. And then I also have another backup mask that's a little bit more stylish. It's like a gray marbled kind of deal, but it's also, it just doesn't fit my face right, and it like bends my ears in half. So that's why I also keep it as a backup. So next we have some chapstick. I wanted to say like lip balm and chapstick at the same time, so I almost said chip balm, but lip balm is the Mario Badescu lip balm. Yeah, this stuff is actually way overpriced, but I mean, I like it, but Carmex or Vaseline will literally do the same thing as this, but I do enjoy it, obviously, because it's pretty much all used up, as you can see. But yeah, this is like $8 or something. I was like, that's like a whole combo at Chick-fil-A, but actually not Chick-fil-A, cancel. Next we have my wallet. This is a Coach wallet, and it has like the C's on the back. I also have the matching purse, but I don't carry a purse and a backpack at the same time because that's just too much for me to carry, and that's stressful. So I have wallets. A nice large wristlet wallet. Yes, that keeps all my money in it. Well, I don't have money because I'm broke, but I have some random coins that I found in the parking lot, so I keep those in there. Next, I keep some snacks because when I'm on campus, I get hungry, and you know, I don't have a meal plan, so I can't just go to the cafe and be like, woo, and I'm not paying $9 for a meal at the cafe. It's not even good. So I pack a snack, and these are just Ritz peanut butter crackers, baby. Very simple. Next, I just have some headphones, just like the wired headphones, whatever, regular headphones, whatever, that actually have this kind of, can you all see that? Like this kind of jack at the end instead of like the one that goes into your phone, because I have a laptop that that's like a PC, so it doesn't have like the like, y'all know what I'm saying? Like it goes into my laptop, so I got some headphones for that. And then lastly in this pouch, I have my AirPods. That's for obvious reasons I don't need to explain. And then in here is also like some more pouches and stuff that I just don't have stuff to put in there. So that's it for the front pouch. Now let's move on to the main body of the bag. Oh, usually I would, sorry guys. Usually I would also keep my phone and a phone charger in the front, but I'm charging my phone right now, so that's why that's not in there. But yeah, and also I always carry a water bottle with me. So this is my Brita water bottle. It has like the built-in filter. This is my baby. I love it. It's very convenient, and it gives me peace of mind to know that my water is semi-filtered. So yes, keep a water bottle on me because you know you gotta drink water, you guys. Okay, now for the main attraction, just kidding. But now we're gonna be in the main part of the backpack. So I packed packed my bag as I would like have a normal class day, because obviously my class days vary. So like Monday, Wednesday, I had 3 classes, but on Tuesday, Thursday, I don't have any class, or I have 1 class. So it really varies, and that will vary how much I pack for the day. But first I have 1 notebook. This notebook is so cute. This is my, what, religion class? Actually, yeah, I don't know. This is from my religion class notebook. I just take notes in here, and it's also like I'm pretty sure this is a 1 subject. So it has like a little folder. Am I overexposed? I hope not. I'm like squinting, but yeah. It's a little folder in it, so I just thought it was cute. It's from Target, so I bought it. And then I also just have a random notebook. I'm just kidding, it's not random. This is for my fitness class. Yeah, my fitness class I take notes in sometimes, but I rarely do, if we're gonna be like 100% honest. And this is a 3 subject notebook, so it's divided by these little yellow things. And in this section, I take notes on my financial analysis, data analysis class. I don't know what it's called. I just show up. I don't know the name of it. I'm just there, but yeah, take notes in that sometimes. So moving on, I have a laptop charger. Wow, so interesting. But yeah, a laptop charger for my laptop, obviously. And then we have a calculator. This is a Texas Instruments TI 30X2S, whatever. I don't know why their names are so complicated, but it has my name on it. In the sleeve, just a nice pink calculator, you know, very handy. You never know. Even though I'm not taking any math classes this year, but you never know when you need a calculator, so I always keep it on me, always. And then next we have my handy dandy pencil pouch that I lost for about a week, and then I found it, so woo-hoo. But here's my pencil pouch. The actual pouch is from Aerie. As you can see, it says real stuff. I got this for free because I used to work there, and they have like a bunch of these. They're like, you want one? I was like, I guess. So just grabbed one or whatever. And then I have a bunch of pens and pencils in there. So for example, I have my actual like mechanical like big pencils that everyone has, like with the 0.7 lead. And then I have these big highlighters, you know. Everyone has these, I feel. And then I have some normal pens. Some like normal regular pens that came in my volleyball binder. And then I have like a Sharpie. And I have a Pilot pen that I stole from my dad. And then I also have, these are my favorite pens, the Papermate pens. There's a bunch of different colors. And I also have some bullet journal markers. So these are the Tombow Twin Tone markers. So they come in a set, but I forgot what colors are in there, but it comes with like I hope you can see that, like a pen end, and then on the other side is a marker. So yeah, I use that the bullet journal and just kind of doodle on my agenda, which is like my pride and joy. My agenda is my pride and joy. But I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, that's my pencil pouch. That's my baby. Okay. And then finally we have my planner. Oh, I love my planner to death. I always use it. Now, do I check what I read in there, like assignments? No, but like the calendar I live by. So this planner's from Target, and it's by Kelly Ventura for Blue Sky. So in here is like a folder, and I keep a bunch of random paper in there. I'm really bad about that, but whatever. Like this is like my time sheet for work, and then I have a student work job if any of you care. You probably don't. Okay, anyways, then I have some calendar stuff here, and then let me show you what September's looking like from a distance, because I don't want you stalking me. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not important. So that's what September's looking like, all filled out. Pretty busy, but I mean volleyball's happening, so I mean I have class and stuff, so I thought that looked pretty nice. What do y'all think? I really hope that's focusing. I don't know if it did. If it didn't, I'm sorry. But yeah, so I also color code it by like when I get paid, or when my timesheets are due, or when I have a home game, or when I have an away game, or when I want to post a YouTube video, or my YouTube video ideas. Did y'all see those? Oh my god, oh no, no one can see my video ideas because I'm so secretive. Just kidding, I don't care. And then I have some goals and notes for the month on the side. So yeah, this is my child. I love this thing to death. And then if you actually go into the weeks, like I'll show you this one. Like it actually has spaces for the days, and y'all can see I really don't write anything in here. And I wrote like some random stuff like, what does this say? Oh, install Office 360, complete quiz on chapter 1, like stuff like that. You know, boring stuff. But yeah, that's my planner, and I really love her. That she just really does the most. Like she's so cute. And then in the back there's like notes and holidays and stuff. So yeah, that's my planner. Also, can we talk about really quickly Emma Chamberlain's, I almost called her Imba. I hate TikTok. Emba's, can we talk about her her planner? Her planner is so cute. I actually really want to get it, but I will obviously have to wait till next year because I'm not gonna have 2 planners. But hers is really cute. I like the design on it. I like the idea of it. I like it. Or maybe it's just because I like Emma, so I'm willing to buy anything that she puts out. Besides her coffee, because I just don't drink coffee like that. And I don't know how to make it, and it feels, I just don't know what to do. So I drink coffee out of a carton. Anyways, and last thing in my backpack, I have my laptop with all my cool stickers on it, and I have a little Sebastian sticker on my laptop and a little Sebastian on my shirt. So dedicated fan, that's me. But yeah, I just have my laptop. It's like HP something or another. I don't know what it is. My dad bought it. My dad bought it and picked it out for me, so I have no clue. Also, rest in peace, Mac Miller. But yeah, that's it for what's in my backpack, you guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Check me out on Instagram if you want. I don't really care if you do or not because I don't know, free will, is that a thing? I don't know. But anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you sometime next week or maybe this week, who knows. Ooh. Bye, peace out. I post once a week or more, you never know. At least I post once a week, but you'll never know if I post twice if you don't subscribe. Anyways, that's it, guys. Peace, love, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.